I'm running a video. Okay, red. Ah, okay. Blue. Okay.
Empty the water out.
Empty the water. Okay. Open up both valves.
Wow. Why is nothing coming out?
I don't know.
That's a first.
Do you have both hoses?
I unplugged it. Is that okay?
Yes, sir, I do. Flashlight.
Flashlight.
Oh, shoot, I guess it's ready to rock and roll. That's just odd. There's always water that comes out of here. Always.
Is it a lot or a little?
A little.
Okay.
Not much to be worried about. 3 filters.
3 filter.
Here's your first one.
Okay.
Give me a pair of channel locks, please.
Yeah.
This comes down.
Gotcha. You want the big ones or the little ones?
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, that's gross. So is that why maybe we don't have water? So you channel. Okay, you just pulled that off. Okay. All right. Is that just a retaining clip?
Yes.
Okay.
Pushes right in there.
Okay. Gotcha.
Goes right back in. Okay.
Okay.
Second filter.
Second filter.
Do not squeeze hard. You will break it.
Okay. Easy on the squeeze. There we go. Okay. Clean?
Man, that's pretty damn good.
All right.
Those are always dirty. And this is a different unit. It doesn't have that other one.
Okay, so
There
just
comes
2
my
filters.
water. Yeah, just 2 filters on this one.
Okay. Okay.
A quarter turn past tight.
Okay. Right there.
That's it.
Okay. Okay, so what's that, about a gallon of vinegar?
Yeah, I like to use 3 of them
3 of them, okay.
just to make sure we have enough clean liquid, going through there.
3 gallons of that.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
All right.
All right. Blue.
Blue. Gotcha. On top. I gotta buy a pump though, right?
I bought this one for you, remember?
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
You will cross-thread it if you're not paying attention.
Okay. Be really careful. Okay. And this is every 6 months, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Red line back in the tank. So it's going to suck. The red line is the suction line. Then.
No, sir.
Oh.
Goes through your pump,
Oh, I see.
all the way
Yeah.
through the heat exchanger. This is just to drain the liquid back into
Okay.
there to complete the cycle one more time.
Gotcha. Okay. Got it.
Now, when you plug this in, that red line is going to want to have a tendency of jumping out on you, okay? So
Okay.
make sure it's in there pretty good.
Okay.
But we are good to go. Isolation valve is open so the water can go in. I don't want to introduce any vinegar to my potable water supply, so we isolated it
Ah.
right here, okay?
Yep.
So it's strictly just through the unit.
Okay. That makes sense. Plugged in. A little bit of a kick. Will that turn like gross? There it goes. How long do you let that run for?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Oh wow.
If you go longer than 6 months to flush it, do an hour.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right.
Unplug the sump pump.
Unplug the sump pump. Okay.
Close this.
That one's closed. Okay.
And we're going to close this.
Okay. Blew off.
Blew off.
Okay.
Now, what I'm doing now is that I still have vinegar inside this machine.
Yes.
Okay? So I'm fixing to open this valve
Okay.
to enter in potable water, which is the drinking water.
Yep.
All right, and I'm going to flush it. I left the red hose connected. Okay, we're going to
Okay.
open that bad boy back up.
Okay.
All right, and we're just going to flush. Good 30-second flush. Okay,
Okay.
just to get all that vinegar out of there.
Okay.
I mean, you're not going to die from the vinegar. You know, it's just very
Right.
minute, but we want to make sure that it's out of there. Whenever it stops spitting, you can kind of tell.
Okay. Oh, it'll actually drain dry.
Yeah. And then now we turn off the water.
Okay. Okay. Water's off.
Shut your isolations.
Isolation's off. Open that guy.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we've done a pretty good flushing on here. Okay, so it's always good procedure
Okay.
with the valve shut off. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't do this live.
Because it'll be a mess.
We're
right?
just going to check. Things are pretty clean.
Okay.
Yep, looks good.
All right.
It's a little cotter pin that goes right back in there.
Okay. Seems pretty easy. Okay.
Back up to this filter.
Oh, check that one again too.
Yes, sir.
All right. Nice and easy.
Cleanest one yet.
All right.
Whatever you're doing good.
I had an expert installer.
Quarter turn past, hand tight.
Okay, just barely.
There we go.
Okay.
Turn the water back on.
Water back on.
Turn.
I'll close that. Yeah. Although it's already shut off, but yeah.
Yes, and then turn this one on.
Yeah. Oop.
Now you're
Okay.
good to go. Okay, come back over here.
Yeah.
Turn your gas on.
Yeah.
Plug it in,
Okay.
and then go inside and call for some hot water.
Okay.